It's been 5 years since the housing bubble burst, sending the U.S. economy on a downward spiral. Local economies, including the one here in Athens, were not immune. Jeff Koon is a broker at the Carriage House Realty, and he says profit-driven home buyers were partly to blame for the downturn.
It seemed like everyone was trying to buy up whatever they could, and a lot of times people were losing track of the fundamentals behind it.
Trulia.com reports the average listing price in Athens at just over $200,000, a 0.5% increase from this time last year. Even though things are looking better, the economy is by no means ideal. But surprisingly, Tax Commissioner Mitch Snyder says revenues haven't suffered here in Athens.
We do feel like we're doing a very good job of collecting those taxes. And by doing so, we feel like that burden is spread across the entire community and not being pushed to those who can afford to pay their taxes.
And that isn't the only positive sign for realtors and mortgage lenders. Many would agree that the highly anticipated Caterpillar project will increase supply and demand for both jobs and new homes. A couple years ago, after the housing market collapsed, this was a very common scene: padlocked doors and empty homes. But now, with lower home price rates and higher mortgage rates, realtors and economists said that this scene may not be the case much longer. The recent outlook is a refreshing cause for optimism, an optimism that may be needed for the housing industry to bounce back. Reporting from Athens, Eric Jones, Grady Newsource.